An information technology learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disallow remote assistance connection on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disallow remote assistance connections on Windows 10 computer, right click on Start menu, click on System. In System Settings, click on Advanced System Settings. Here in System Property, you will find a tab Remote. Click on Remote tab, and here you will find the first option Remote Assistance. Allow remote assistance connection to this computer is selected. Now deselect this option to disallow remote assistance connection to this computer. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. And thereafter remote assistance connection will be disallowed on your Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.